In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a knowledge base in Confluence so your team can easily store, organize, and find important information in one central location. Start by opening Confluence and clicking Spaces from the top navigation menu. Select Create Space and choose the knowledge base template if it's available. If not, you can select a blank space and customize it yourself. Next, give your knowledge base a clear name and space key. Choose something descriptive so team members can quickly identify its purpose. Once you're ready, click Create Space. After creating the space, set up the appropriate permissions. Open the space settings and decide who can view, edit, and manage the content. This ensures the right people can contribute while keeping information secure. Now it's time to create your homepage. Add a welcome message, important links, and a search section to help users find information quickly. A well-organized homepage makes navigation much easier for everyone. Begin creating articles by clicking Create and choosing a suitable template such as a how-to guide, troubleshooting article, or documentation page. Add clear titles and detailed information that answers common questions or solves specific problems. As you add more content, organize related articles using parent and child pages. This creates a logical structure that makes your knowledge base easier to browse and maintain. Don't forget to add labels to your articles. Labels help categorize content and improve search results, making it faster for users to find the information they need. Once your articles are ready, click Publish to make them available. Continue adding new content and updating existing pages to keep your knowledge base accurate and useful. And that's how to build a knowledge base in Confluence. With a well-organized structure and helpful content, you'll create a valuable resource that saves time and improves collaboration across your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.